Yeah, welcome again. Is your presenter, Engineer Nelson Aruma Shawanu, onto our diagnostic mathematical series. Let's go. Smart addition and subtraction. Yeah, let's go. Normally, if we have 44 plus 44 here on the left, on the right, 49 plus 44. Now, how do we go about it? So we start from the right going left. So we will take it. We'll add a 4 and 4, that makes 8, and we'll get our 8 here. Now let's go on the right. On the right, we'll add 9 and 4. We'll add 9 and 4, and we'll get 13, like that. But this 1 right here is on the 10th place. That's good. But we need to add the 4 tenths and 4 tenths and the 4 tenths. So we'll take this 1 up. So right now, let's see, we are done with the 1's place. Now let's move to the 10th place. So the 10th place on your left here, we'll add 4 and 4 and we'll get 8. And then we go on the right here, we'll add 1, 4 and 4, we'll get 9. And we're done with this. Let's see, one more example, but this is the normal way. But before we move on, yeah, look at it again. 44 and 44, that is 88. But you start doing it from the right, but we read numbers from the left towards the right. So if you put your 8 here, you will not be able to read the answer as 80 because you're yet to do the 4 and 4 on the right. So you can't take part in rush answer question where your teacher will say 44 plus 44, and the first person to say the answer is the person who can walk their arithmetic or their addition from the left going right. Because if I do 4 and 4, I will get 8, I will say 80, and then I do the other 4 and 4, 8. Then this way, if I do 4 and 4, I will say 80, but at the end it will be 90, 90 something, right? So how do we solve this problem? That is the key of the presentation today. So let's go. Smart addition and subtraction. So the key is to know the two numbers that make 10, right? So let's go. 1 and 9 makes 10, 2 and 8 makes 10, 3 and 7 makes 10, 4 and 6 makes 10, 5 and 5 makes 10. Now let's look at it another way. 5, this is 9 fingers and 1 finger. Of course, 9 and 1 makes 10. Now here, 8 fingers and 2 fingers. 8 and 2 makes 10. Now here, 7 fingers and 3 fingers. 7 and 3, those are your 10 fingers. Now next, 6 fingers and 4 fingers. 6 and 4, those are your 10 fingers. And lastly, 5 fingers and 5 fingers, those are your 10 makes 10 fingers. Now if you have 7 plus 4, so what do? We ask, what's the brother of 7? Like 7 and what makes 10? We know it's 3. So what do we do to the 4? We decompose the 4 into 3 and 1. And then now we can get the 7 and the 3 together. That will make 10. So 10 and 1, that is 11. So 7 and 4 makes 11. Let's take another example. 8 and 7. Now what's the brother of 8? The brother of 8 is 2. So we decompose that. Come down here. 7 becomes 2 and 5. Then 8 and 2 makes 10. Then now we have what? 10 and 5 makes 15. Take another example, 9 and 4. Now here, 9, we decompose what's the brother of 9 is 1, because 9 and 1 makes 10. Again, the essence here is to make 10, right? So, and 4 is 1 and 3. Why are we decomposing 4 into 1 and 3? Because we need the brother of 9. So that now we group like this, 9 and 1 makes 10, and 10 and 3, 10 and the 3 makes 13. So 9 plus 4 is 13. Take one more example, 3 and 9. Now what's the brother of 3? 7, right? So we take 3 plus, we decompose 9 into what? 7 plus 2. Why 7? Because that's the brother of 3. 3 and 7 makes 10, and 10 and 2, there we go, makes 12. So 3 plus 9 is 12. Now take 6 and 5. 6 and 5. 6 comes down here, your plus, and what's the brother of 6 is 4. So we decompose 5 into 4 and 1. Then now we got 6 and 4 makes 10, and 10 and 1 makes 11. So 6 plus 5, that gives you 11. Last example, 6 and 9. And what's the brother of 6 is 4. 6 and 4 makes 10. Again, the object is for you to make 10. 6 and 4 makes 10, and we know 10 and 5 makes 15. So 6 plus 9 is 15. Very good. So we'll use this knowledge now for us to be able to go back and do the previous question. So here we go. We want to start from the right, from the left going right. We don't want to do from the right going left. Now here we have tens and units. So we'll start from the tens place. This is very unusual, but we want to tackle the problem of rush answer question. The first to say the answer, 44 plus 44, you have to say 88. You have to start saying 80, not the 8 units and then 8 tens the way we do it previously. So here we start from this corner. We do our tens place, 4 and 4. And before we write our answer down, we have to take a quick peek on the right. Do we have numbers that will make 10 and above? No, 4 and 4 will not make 10, so we will not get 1 this way. So we take a quick peek and we got nothing. Yeah, we take a quick peek here and it gives us nothing. It gives us nothing here. So we just, well, 4 and 4, we just simply write our 8. We just write our 8. And then now we can say 80. And then now we come here and then we see what we get here, 8. And that's it. Now let's go to the next one. To the next one, 4 and 4. Oh, we take a quick peek. 9 and 4. The brother of 9 is 1. 9 and 4 is way more than 9 and 1. So it will definitely pass 1 over. It will definitely pass 1 over. So 9 and 4, I already see this 13. So it will pass this 1 over. With this, my 8 here, 4 and 4, 8. I will get what here? I will get 9. See, I passed the 1 over here. So I will get 9 here. And then, hey, what is left here is a 3, like magic. When you take a quick peek, you see that 3 already is waiting for you. So when you say 93, okay, now here's a little bit slow. Now, if we take it really, really fast, we'll see it, okay? Take a peek, 6 and 7. Oh, take a peek. Oh, it will give me nothing. So that's 13. And, yeah, 5, 135, like so. Now, 8 and 4. Before I do my 8 and 4, I'll take a quick peek. Oh, it will not give me anything, okay? So I put my 12 there, and then 2 and 7, 129, like that. Now, next example, 8 and 4, that's 12. Now, I take a quick peek. Will it give me 1? Yeah. So it could be 12, it could be 13. If it gives me 1, it's 13. If it doesn't, it's 12. Does it give me 1? Yes, it does. Next neighbor gives me 1, and that is 13. And then here is 5, because I know when I took a quick peek, that was 15, so 135. Now take the next example. Longer number. 3,548 plus 4,244. So I start from 3 and 4. 3 and 4, I take a quick peek. Okay, does it give me? No. I write my 7. 7,000. And I take a quick peek. Before I do that, take a quick peek. Does it give me? No. 7,700. And before I do that, I take a quick peek. 8. 8 becomes 9. 90. And 2 was left there, right? So 7,792. So if you start from the right, you will hardly say the answer at the end of the day. If you start from the left, at the 1,000th place, you will start saying the answer and you will be the winner. Remember, the goal here, rush answer question for genius students. All right, let's take another example. 9 and 4, that's 13. Okay, I take a quick peek, you give me 1, that's 14. All right. Now here, when I took a peek and I saw 13, I know 3 is here waiting for me. 3 is here waiting for me, not the 13, the 1 is gone already, like yesterday. So I take a quick peek and the 3 here becomes what, 4. Now, before I do it here, I know 1 is here, 1 is here, not 11, the 1 is gone. So I take a quick peek here, will it give me 1? No, I'm left with 1. And then now here, 6 and 2, 8. So 14,418. All right, next example, I have 9 here. Will it give me, I take a quick peek, yeah. So that's 10. 10,000 is waiting for me. 2 is here. And then will it give me? No. 206 is here. Will it give me? Yes. 770. And what was waiting for me here? 6. Okay. Now remember, why do I say 9 plus 7 is 6? Of course, we've done it. The brother of 9 is 1. I remove the 1 from the 7, and that is 6. 16. 9 and 1, 10. And 6, 16. And then I know 6 is waiting for me here. All right. So let's take one more example. This example is very critical. Now, if I come here, I see 9, yeah, 9 and nothing is 9, so that's 9,735 plus 295. And I take a quick peek here, and I see 9. Be very careful. If you see 9, 7 and 2 is 9, it doesn't mean that, yeah, 9 cannot give you 1. From 10 before it gives you 1 over. Now, if I see 9 here, I must be very, very careful. I have to take another peek here. Now, 3 and 9 will give 12, and you will send 1 over here to 9, 7 and 2. And if you send 1 to 7 and 2, 7 and 2, 9 becomes 10. And obviously, they will give 1 over here. So we have 10. And then now when we come here now, 7 and 2 is 9. You just do that normally. 7 and 2 is 9. We take a good peek. We get 1 here. So that's 10. So that's 0 here. And then now we got 3 and 9. That's 12. And then we'll get 1 from here. So that's 3 here. And then 5, that's just 0. All right. Because we gave the 1 up already. So that is 10,030. And we're at the end of the presentation. So again, follow for more diagnostic approach to math. You want to be good at rush answer question when the teacher says 82 plus 12, and then you start saying your answer as 94. Yeah, but if you wait and do it from the left side, and if you wait and do it from the right side, you will really take a longer time to get to your answer. So that's